Hello, West Creek Wildcats. I'm your principal, Mrs. Couret, and I'm very excited that you are a Wildcat. Whether you're attending school face-to-face or if you're attending via launchette at home, you're a part of our excellent community of learners. Here at West Creek, our vision is to ensure every student has a promising and successful future. Our mission is that with your support, that of our wonderful families and community members, we create rich and diverse pathways to lead our students to success. Here at West Creek, our decisions are always based on the consideration of this question: what is best for our students? We also make decisions based on our shared values of equity for all, integrity when making decisions, inclusion of all, respect for each other, innovation in our decisions, and collaboration with all stakeholders. These values are evident in our everyday life here at school. For example, our teachers have worked diligently and have persevered in adjusting their day-to-day instruction so that 99.9% of our students are able to remain with their teacher all year, regardless of the chosen instructional model. Our systems in school have also been reconsidered and adjusted in an effort to keep all of our students and staff members safe and healthy throughout the school day and throughout the school building. You, families, have collaborated with us to monitor students' health and their engagement in class. We invite every single parent to schedule a conference with your child's teacher sometime over the next several weeks. During this conference, teachers will collaborate with you to review your child's current progress, performance, and also to share recommendations that will help your child continue to learn in all areas. This year, we are proud to share that West Creek is a school of excellence as designated by the state of Florida, and we are also a school of innovation as designated by Orange County Public Schools. We place great importance on the positive development of our Wildcats' growth in various areas, including their academic growth. Additionally, we recognize and intentionally address all Wildcats' physical and social-emotional growth and well-being. I am and have remained extremely confident in our teachers and staff. We are committed to serve you, our wonderful students and families, as best we can. And we remain resolute in our goal to provide the best possible education for your children right here at West Creek. Thank you for your continued support, patience, and understanding as we proceed through this school year together. Thank you for choosing West Creek. We are your neighborhood, grade A, 5-star, golden school where we are committed to excellence.